This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carly Jabor. New construction in the heart of Fort Lauderdale's Victoria Park offers luxury in this sleek, contemporary tri-level townhome. Light, open and spacious 3-bedroom floor plan with 2 full and 1/2 baths is accented with high-quality finishes, Euro-style cabinetry, floating vanities, marble flooring, and Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances in the kitchen. The gated, 6-unit complex affords privacy and a great location, minutes from Fort Lauderdale beaches, Los Olas shopping and dining, and the Arts District. A 2-car garage, plenty of storage and closet space, private entry and balconies, and the ambience of Old Fort Lauderdale make this 7 Seas home in East Fort Lauderdale a desirable address and a sound investment opportunity. For more information, review the details below or contact Carly Jabor at 954-803-1615.